Hey, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and today we're going to be looking at this 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. We put a 2.5-inch Rough Country Series 2 lift kit on it, some 20x10 Xtreme Mudder 318 wheels, and some 35 1250 R20 Radar Renegade mud terrain tires. This 2.5-inch Series 2 lift by Rough Country, the SKU is 635, so just go to Rough Country's website, type in 635, it'll pull up the lift. I absolutely love it. It retains all of the factory hardware and it just adds spacers on top of the springs and extensions on the shocks. What I love about the lift is that you can go back to factory specs if you want to, if you decided that the lifted Jeep life is not for you. If you want more information on these tires and wheels, there will be a link somewhere over here to go find out all the information on the tires and wheels. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave us a comment, shoot us an email, or give us a call or text at 833-268-2577. Also, if you want any of these parts, go to our website, we sell parts. If you want to buy a vehicle, go to our website, go to the inventory page. We will have listed all of the vehicles that are for sale on dealers' lots that you can buy today. Again, my name is Michael with Central Alps, and thanks for watching.